Hello everyone, welcome to this Java programming tutorial. This is Preeti Singh and I am going to start a new journey with Java programming. So in today's session, we will learn what Java is, why it is so popular and how to write our first Java program. So what is Java? Java is high-level object-oriented programming language. It is developed by Sun Microsystem and currently it is maintained by Oracle. It is designed to be simple, secure, portable, and platform independent. When I say high-level programming language, high-level and object-oriented programming language, what exactly I mean? Java is high-level programming language and it is very closer to human language than machine language. You don't have to worry about hardware details like memory addresses and processor instruction. You just need to focus on logic and structure, and it handles the rest. You can see. And object oriented means it is working with, that's what we can say, the magic behind Java's design. It means we build program using objects, small reusable pieces that represents real world things. That's something we call object. For example, if you are coding a banking application, you might have object like account, customer, and transactions. So each object knows how to behave and interact with other object. So this approach makes Java program organized, scalable, and easy to maintain. That's why Java is used everywhere from mobile application and web servers to banking and even space technologies. So one of the biggest advantage of Java is its philosophy of write once, run anywhere. This means that a Java program can run on any device that has a JVM, also known as Java Virtual Machine. What exactly I mean to say by this? So think about something like, let me change the slide. Think about that this is JVM. It's nothing but it is a translator between your code and your computer. So when you write Java code, it doesn't talk directly to your computer's hardware. Instead, the JVM reads your code, which is installed in your computer, and converts it into instruction that any device can understand, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And that is what we mean by cross-platform compatibility. Your program runs smoothly on different systems without rewriting it. If you want to compare, let's compare the JVM to a universal adapter that lets your charger work in any country. So Java is widely used in enterprise applications, web development, mobile applications, cloud computing, banking systems, e-commerce platform, and many other industries. Companies around the world rely on Java because of its reliability, scalability, and strong community support. When I say reliability, scalability, when we say this word reliable, it means it rarely crashes and handles errors safely. The language has built-in feature that prevent common mistakes like memory leaks or unexpected shutdowns. That's why big companies trust Java for banking, server, and enterprise software. It's stable, secure, and dependable. The next is why to learn Java. It is easy for the beginner. It is secure, as I said, secure and reliable, and foundation for Android development. Java is designed to be simple and readable. Its syntax looks like plain text, plain English. You don't need to memorize complex symbols or commands. For example, when we want to write a print, like when we want to just simply print the statement, we need to just write system.out.println. That's why Java is often the first language taught in school and universities. Java is built in with security. Let's consider this point, security and reliability. I have already discussed. But the Built-in is something, it's security in the mind. It prevents common programming mistakes like accessing memory directly or crashing unexpectedly. The language checks your code before running it. So error are caught early. That's what makes Java reliable. It keeps your program stable even when something goes wrong. For example, Java is like a airbags and seat belts. It protects your program completely. So when you are uh, 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 foundation for Java development, when you say, so if you have like, of course, we all are using nowadays Android application, Android phone, lots of Android applications. We've already interacted with Java. Most Android applications are written in Java or use Java based framework. So learning Java means you can build mobile application, gaming application, and tools that run on million device worldwide. For example, if I say Java is the engine that powers most Android application, that is something which is truth. Now let's understand the structure of basic Java program. Public class hello world and public static void main, and inside that system.out.println. Although this program is very small, it teaches the fundamental building block of Java. First, we define the class using class keyword. In this example, the class name is Hello World. Every Java application starts with class. Inside the class, we create special method called main method, which is the entry point, or from here the execution starts. The main method serves as the entry point of Java application. Whenever we run Java program, the JVM looks for this method and begin the execution. Now we have the statement system.out.println. This statement prints the text hello world on the console. It is one of the most commonly used statement for displaying output in Java. So let's summarize what we have learned. A Java program is organized inside the classes. Execution begin from the main method. Statement inside the main method are executed one by one. System.out.println is used to display output on the screen. So this tiny program teaches you the foundation of Java, how to start writing the Java. Once you understand this structure, you can start building larger applications step by step. In upcoming tutorial, we will explore variables, data types, operators, conditional statements, loops, object-oriented programming concepts, collection, exception handling, and much more. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Java, Spring Boot, Cloud, AI, and full stack development tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!